In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save AnalysisChess.com. If you want to keep your ideas, variations, comments, and study notes organized for future review, Chess.com provides a simple way to save your analysis so you can return to it whenever you need. Whether you're reviewing a recent game, studying opening lines, or exploring different tactical possibilities, saving your work can help you track your progress and continue learning more efficiently. To get started, open any game on Chess.com and head over to the Analysis tab on the right side of the screen. This is where you can take a deeper look at positions and examine different move sequences. Once you're inside the analysis board, begin making moves and exploring variations. You can test different ideas, add comments to important positions, and use arrows to visualize plans and key concepts. Spend as much time as you need building out your analysis so it reflects exactly what you want to remember and review later. When you're satisfied with your analysis, look toward the bottom of the panel on the right side of the screen and click the Add to Collection button. This is the most important step in the process and one that many users overlook. After selecting that option, a pop-up window will appear asking where you would like to store your analysis. At this point, you can choose from an existing collection if you've already created one, or you can create a new collection to keep your analysis organized. Creating separate collections can be very helpful if you want to group different types of studies together, such as opening preparation, game reviews, or specific chess themes. Organizing your work this way makes it easier to find later. After selecting the collection you want to use, click Save once again. Your analysis is now stored in your Chess.com library and can be accessed whenever you want to revisit it. There's also another useful option for keeping a backup of your analysis. While still in the Analysis tab, locate the Share icon. Depending on the layout, it may appear as 3 connected dots or a box with an arrow. Click it and switch to the Pgene tab. Make sure comments and highlights are enabled if you want your notes and visual annotations included. Once everything looks correct, click the button to export the Pgene file to your computer. This creates a complete backup of your analysis that can be opened in other chess software or stored for future reference. And that's it. You now know how to save your analysis on Chess.com and keep a secure backup for later use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel